Okay, just doing some final edits to today's video. Just doing like pretty much just speed it up, and there were some parts I was just gonna cut out. Uh, some of the some of the ones I cut out was just slow, choppy movement. I mean, it didn't make sense to have in the video to show and study. It would be nice if I could just look at it for myself. Uh, and not worry, but this is video, and I do not have the attention span to sit through some of my videos sometimes. And I do apologize that it is all a lot of them are long, but some of them are educational. Unfortunately today, as I don't feel like myself. I had a rough day trading. New layout too, to be honest, because I was just trying to figure out why I can't do my short limit or some not short limit limit orders properly, and then it's like found I gotta mess with my charts, so you can see a different layout, a little bit of a different layout today, this morning. Um, yeah, so unfortunately that affected how I trade, especially like since it was like the like 1 minute before uh, opening, and so I wasn't focused on the stock market. And like I said, I wasn't really 100% there. I couldn't bring my A game. Today would have been a really nice short day if I stayed, but taking long holds, like short from top and hold the grind all the way to the bottom, it does take a lot out of me. I should be happy, 55.5% in for this month. Um, so I definitely should be happy. Didn't meet my expectations and goals that I wanted for numerical, which is fine. I mean, as a day trader, I shouldn't be worrying too much on that. It should be following the process, not the profit. Like yeah, I guess because like I did something dumb yesterday. I did calculation, and honestly, if I got 2,000 today, I would have had a 60% increase. But I got 55. I mean, I should be happy. Uh, that is what it is. But after market close, I was more relieved that I did take that. I did look at the 1 minute charts, and I would not have been able to survive, especially with my current mental state. Um, Other thing is I did so today's Apple trades. I did have struggled in the beginning, but the goal has been met. As you watch the video where I draw these white lines, I'm watching for these spikes and I'm taking those, or watching them and holding them. So taking a high and high of the extremes and go down. Now it's not completely the extremes, but I did look at it, did try for it. Starting to get it down, just not 100% yet. But I am slowly getting these the entries I want. So what I'm trying to do is get the entries at the highest or at the lowest, so I can ride pretty much it's called like a dip buying style. So when it goes below a level and it just shoots right up, I want to be at the bottom of that level, so that support line. Same with the top. In this, you can see I'm trying to aim for that Apple top and write it down. Now, I don't know why I chose Apple today. It was the most hardest stock to trade uh, for my momentum style. I should have went with NVDA. Should have went with Microsoft, Facebook, anything but Apple for a short today. It's like, don't get me wrong, I met my goal. Well, first first one. Honestly, I'm just looking for $100 a day. I actually made it out with about a little bit well over 800, which I should still be happy. Like I said, I don't know. I could be just hard on myself, and I is not proud, but I should be. There are so many things that I did this month that I should be proud of, especially with my next level of trading, my share increase, helping my friends, trading friends, people who watch this video learn what I do and how I do these trades, especially for holding the longer one. Like if you watch my past videos where was like NVIDIA the longest win segment. I mean that was, I don't know, $10-$20 hold for 3 hours, and I got a lot of profit off that, extract a lot of profit off that. And not only that, it was like one of my best plays ever, year to date, year in my entire career. And another one was Netflix. Before that, I think it was 420. 420, my biggest win at Netflix. Like a lot of my trades this year, not even this year, last 2 weeks was my biggest threshold change. And I don't know. At the end of the month, I don't know why I don't feel happy about it, but I should be. Definitely didn't meet my final expectation, but like I said, I could be just hard on myself. But yeah. Anyway, here's today's video. I try to edit as much as I can. Unfortunately, I don't really feel too great about the trades. It was choppy, so I kind of left like some longer and lengthy trades, and did cut out some of the ones that didn't. I feel like not important because just like literally sideways, and I just got the trade or got a small profit from that. It's more like a scalp, but you're waiting for a long time for the candle to move. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Uh, May's gonna be an interesting one too, especially with how the market sold off today. If you haven't seen it, go look at the chart. I mean, I'm not gonna log in right now. I don't want to log in, but yeah, it tanked quite a bit. A lot of people went under. The short people who did shorts are really happy right now. And unfortunately, today was not my day. In the beginning, if I actually did stay and held the grind, like I said, I could make all that profit, but I was just too. My mental state's not there. And the beauty about the stock market is there's always going to be the same opportunity or similar opportunities like this in the future. So, yeah, with that said, here's the last video of the month, and enjoy. Gonna take it's pretty bullish, so I'm gonna take a small scalp. So 15, 15, 14.9. So looks like it's gonna come down for a little bit and then squeeze it back up. Looking at past 920 maybe. It just broke this resistance, so yeah, this layout is just annoying. Let's see if it'll go up. Seems it wants to get 920. Market is trying to come down a little bit, but that just turned green. Yeah, this overextended looks like it's starting to come down. Let's see, it's holding 911 support. I I'm gonna probably exit, waiting for a pop. Fails 910, I gotta get out. So I'm giving a wide range on this one. Because I don't like these. Yep, let's get out. It's coming down. Apple is actually one I should look at for it to come down. Reason for that is something. Oh, because I'm using 15 minutes here. 5 minutes. There we go. This wick. Looking for more downside to possibly 162. I really don't like this. It's annoying. Looks like you're trying to bounce. If this can go below VWAP and this can go red, this should follow, but I think might be a squeeze. I'm gonna get out. Alright, Facebook is just running like crazy right now, so okay. Seeing more downside. Like if it pops, I'm kind of in trouble. Yeah, I'm waiting because Microsoft's coming down. Qs are starting to come down, or at least trying to. Just gonna wait, give it some time, because this I like this big wake rejection here too and here. It shows there's gonna be some downside coming, but will it? That's the question. Yep. Oh, late. When I saw that, I wanted to try and get it when it was still up here. Okay. You know what? I'll add one more because of I'm starting to see momentum to the downside. Let's see. It's trying to bounce this guy right here, but it's a weak one, especially with the momentum coming down. So I'm thinking more down here for NASDAQ. So that means either here or I would say here. Okay, still going down to the level I mentioned. 13,260. That's a key level right there. If Nasdaq can go down below that, this will follow down. I think this will be a weak pop. If not, 163. That's when I'm gonna exit. Okay, it's trying to bounce. It's trying to get if it goes above. So this one 13,280. And this one I would say closer to, well, maybe not 80, but 1300. So 163, I'm out. It rejected. Okay, just letting it go. Alright, now let's see, give some room. Pi 162.5. Yep, so it's trying to bounce this. Now it's just cracked, so you can go further. And VIX is at almost 30. Let's see if it rejects it. Huh. It's trying to go to VWAP instead, so I'll do that. Okay, so it's 0.8. No, that's 163. Yeah, 163 is good. 695.8. Okay, it's trying to climb, but it's getting rejected. Let's get out, because this looks like a bullish candle. Let's see, Tesla. Tesla is running. That's a double bottom. Let's see, it'll break 910. I think it's gonna run through 910. So 900 would have been the better entry. So 900 or 905 near VWAP would have been the nice entries. Let's see, I'm looking for 911, I would say. So Q's trying to reverse. If it runs, this will run too. Don't like this. Think it's gonna bounce VWAP and then run. Could average down, but I don't want to add to the risk. Alright, so NASDAQ is running, so that means Tesla should run pretty soon. So I'm looking to have it go through 910. Struggling with 910. Okay, there we go. Let's see how far it will go. Maybe. Yeah, well, no, it hit my price target. It's trying to go to 912. Just keep rejecting 912s. I don't like these wicks, so let's get ready to get out. Okay, 911. So now it's trying 912s. 912s broke through. Okay. Let's see, 915. I'm just gonna get out. If it rejects 915. Looks like it's struggling installing at 914. Nope, there we go. Tesla's stalling a bit. Let's see, 14, 25, came back down, 19, little worried. Let's get out. Let's see, Apple coming down. Take that, so that's a double top forming. I'm gonna go more aggressive. So you can see that's coming down. Let's see how far it can go, because this is everything's double top actually. Hmm. Alright, Tesla. That means I should get out Apple. If Tesla is running, I should get out Apple. Okay, 164. Nope, it's coming down. It's undecisive. Waiting for this 5 minutes to finish for confirmation, because this technically is double top, but it's trying to hold this level, and this is worrisome. And especially like Tesla trying to run. Yeah, let's get out. This is on the bull side now. Alright, now I was trying to test this. If it breaks, if it cracks, it looks like it will crack. As you can see, the market's gonna run thanks to Tesla. So right here, a little worrisome. So 64.15 is the highest I have. Let's hold out, see if it'll reject or not. First reject, I'm gonna probably just exit. Not having an A game day today. Alright, futures just like going off like crazy. There's gonna be a sweet short somewhere down the line later today, but right now it's just trying to run. Alright, let's see. Alright, now I'm starting to see some stalls. I'm actually gonna start small. Gonna add. If this shoots above 166, I'll get out. I'm seeing stalling, seeing more downside. C69. It's a little. I need this to break. Okay. I like this pattern. I gotta be careful though. Now this just needs to crack 165.5 or 6. Okay, 166, I'll get out. I need to keep this really tight as possible. Just need to see it to pull back. I mean, it is overextended, so let's see. Still having a hard time getting above 166. But okay, I like that. Oh shoot. That bounce. Oh nope, it rejected. Let's see. 8, 9, it's having a hard time coming down. What's going on? Alright, I'm about to get squeezed if it doesn't come down. It's rejecting, so that's a good sign. Okay. It's starting to come down. It struggled, so all right. Everything failed. Now, if it can go further than halfway, there is more downside. Oh, I was not paying attention. I mean, I do like this rejection, but is it going to be a good one? I don't know. Okay, guess it is. It's coming down. Because VWAP on the VWAP are breaking. 164.5. So this is probably going to come down to 164 at least. So I got stopped out here instead, which is fine. Caught it on the downside. 10 cents, 20 cents now. So this is coming down really hard. This is coming down really hard. NVIDIA would have been a nice play. $5 on it. Netflix 204. Now it's 199. I just had to pick the hardest one to trade today. $164. Let's see if it'll go down to VWAP. I mean, it has momentum to go down past VWAP. Okay. This can still, this thing, yeah, these can still pop. So that's struggling. It's rejecting. Okay. Give it a little more time. I think I'll get out. Yeah, it's trying to climb. Alright. Get out.